Hey y'all, it's Prisca Love. In today's video, I'm showing you guys how to make these infamous liquor hats for really cheap. Stay tuned if you want to see how I did it.
What do she do? I do everything. I move everything. I am not looking for clout, no. I knew I would figure it out. I knew. I took the millionaire route, running up.
So this is just an overview of some of the products you may need. Some of these things will be optional. But for this hat, what I have is a feather boa. For this hat, which will be in a separate video, I'm going to use crystal trim. Okay, of course, link below will have everything where I got everything. But I'm going to use some regular school glue, or you can use stick glue, Mod Podge for the glitter. Depending on if you want to make yours permanent, your paper, or what paper you print off your liquor labels, you may need some construction paper to thicken it, or I just have like one of these folder envelopes to thicken it, which you'll see. Got a hot glue gun, scissors, glitter, color of your choice, and then the printouts of the liquor labels in your hats. I got this hat from Party City, and this one was from Amazon, which is way better quality. But that's for the birthday girl, and it's like her birthday gift. So here I'm just showing you guys that I am cutting out my printed off labels, and I'm putting it to the back of the envelope paper just to kind of make it more sturdy, so when I glue it on to the hat, it doesn't seep through. And then I'm just outlining the letters with this regular Elmer's glue, and then we'll use the glitter in just a second to make it pop. So I'm pretty much done adding the glitter to the letters, but just for some more added definition, I kind of like added some white glitter to the side, as you can see right there on the right side, just to give it a little razzle dazzle, you know, a little something. And as you see, I have one at the top and one at the bottom, but I was just kind of playing with the one at the top, and this is how it turned out, which looked amazing. Now I'm just cutting it out, letting it fully dry, and getting her ready to paste when we get to that part. So I know at one point these liquor cowboy hats were going viral on TikTok and Twitter, but this is just a great idea if you want to have a themed party, birthday party, end of the year holiday events. It would be really fun as well to have like a group hat decorating party and then wear it to the themed event. You can even save this video for next year if you want to do this for a Halloween costume. But yeah, this is easy and a fun way to do it. So I'm going in with the Mod Podge at the top, and I got this glitter from Walmart. It was like a pack of these little teeny tiny glitter pieces. I'm not gonna lie, I wish I just would have bought bottle glitter, because cutting these little packs up and going through them was a little tedious, but nothing crazy, as you can see. And the Mod Podge does kind of dry kind of fast, so I did like a thin layer, then I'll go in with the glitter, and then as you'll see, I'll go down the rest of the hat. And it's really easy. Just put a bag down so glitter is not everywhere, because you know how glitter goes. You spray a little glitter, you'll be seeing that glitter for weeks, okay? So use that to help kind of eliminate that. But this color brown really was really pretty. As you saw earlier, we made an outline for our patch, and I'm just putting that glue around that outline I made with the pencil, and look how it turns out. So now we can actually glue our patch on with our label. Just using a really good thick layer of Mod Podge. I think it's acrylic sealer or acrylic glue. I forgot what it says on the bottle, but just doing a little thick layer of that because since we put the envelope backing onto our label, she's gonna be a little bit thicker. This is gonna help hold her down and make her flush to the hat. Now this part, just make sure you press real good. Press, 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 press. Okay, because I was not pressing as much as I thought I should have been, and it kept coming up on the side. But as I pressed and I let it dry, she was good to go. Now we're adding our feather boa. We're getting festive. So I just use hot glue. You know, hot glue gun is my best friend. And I didn't even use it on that high of a setting because that feather is gonna stick to the glue very well. And I'm just going along the trim and adding it. And we're almost done, y'all. So we're done. Look how quick and easy that was. And here is my pure white Hennessy bottle for reference. It looks amazing. And it was so easy. You can definitely do this too and do it with your friends. Here is me at the cabin party.
I am pure white Hennessy and Deuce is gonna be the drunkest.
And this is us. Again, this is my friend's hat. Us chilling in the hot tub. As you can see, I had a great time. Now let's get into the next hat. So this one was for the birthday girl. And as you can see, this is the other friends with their hats. Everybody made their own hats. Her hat, I am gonna do like a separate video for how I added the trim on there. So stay tuned for that. But for her hats, I made an adjustable liquor label. That way she can actually wear her hat without the liquor label and it doesn't have to be glued on. So if you have like a cowboy hat that's like nice quality, but you still wanna make your liquor label, this is a great way for you to do this. So I just used elastic band. I got that from Walmart or Hobby Lobby. They have the like really skinny versions as you can see here. Printed my liquor label and just a little hot glue and gluing that elastic band to it to the size of the hat so it doesn't pop off, or if it's not, make sure it's not too loose or anything like that. And look, you just put her right on and you can just take her right off. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and staying tuned in to my DIYs. And stay tuned for more. I will be posting this other video for this hat soon. See you guys later.